Hey, what? Where'd all the sound go? I guess I'm gonna use this empty space to say something motivational for the people. Make a Roth IRA today. Illuminati, stop trying to cut me up. Make a Roth IRA. Illuminati, stop. Make a Roth IRA today. 100 racks on your wrist, that's a bad investment. Chain on your neck,